Black sugar milk tea is a drink that's taking the world by storm. Its unique blend of flavors, rich caramelized sweetness, and creamy texture make it a treat you can't resist. Imagine holding a cup of this delightful beverage. Its distinctive black sugar syrup swirling beautifully with fresh milk and chewy tapioca pearls. Intrigued yet? You're not alone. The journey of black sugar milk tea begins with the creation of its signature ingredient, black sugar. Unlike regular white sugar, black sugar is unrefined, preserving its natural minerals and distinct molasses flavor. Combined with high-quality milk and boba pearls, it offers a multi-dimensional taste experience. But why should you try it now? Because it's not just a drink, it's a sensory journey, a cultural phenomenon, and a moment of indulgence in every sip. What makes this tea so popular? It's not just the taste, but the experience. From its handcrafted preparation to the layers of flavor and texture, every cup tells a story. The richness of black sugar, the creamy smoothness of milk, and the delightful chew of boba pearls create a perfect harmony. It's a drink that engages all your senses and leaves you craving more. For those who love adventure, black sugar milk tea is the ultimate fusion of traditional and modern. Originating from Taiwan, it has made its way to cafes and homes worldwide, adapting to local flavors while staying true to its roots. Each sip feels like a warm embrace, connecting you to the drink's heritage while offering a contemporary twist. Now is the perfect time to indulge in black sugar milk tea. Whether you're a tea enthusiast or someone looking to try something new, this drink is sure to captivate your taste buds. Share it with friends. Post a photo of its Instagram-worthy layers, or simply savor it as a personal treat. Don't miss out on this global favorite. Grab a cup today and experience the magic for yourself. Ready to join the craze? Head to your nearest tea shop or try making it at home. Let black sugar milk tea become your new favorite indulgence. And don't forget to share your experience in the comments. We'd love to know what you think.